Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can get Google Play Store on laptop. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can get Google Play Store on your laptop. But as always, before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button as well. So in order to get Google Play Store on laptop, we would have to actually use an Android emulator called Bluestacks. And in my case, I have already installed it. If you don't know how to download and install it, I will show you that process as well. In order to download, we have to go to our browser and we simply need to go to the website called Bluestacks.com. So I will also make sure to leave this link down in the description box. Go ahead and then simply type in Bluestacks.com. As soon as you tap on Bluestacks.com, you will be able to see a bunch of various options. At the top right, you can simply find this option which is download Bluestacks. You could simply tap on it, and then in my case, I have already downloaded it. When you download it, you would need to tap on the exe file in order to go ahead and then continue the setup. As you can see, in my case, already downloaded it. And once you've also completed the setup, in order to get Google Play Store on your Windows or laptop, all you have to do is simply right click and then run this program as an administrator. You could do a simple open up if you want, but I always prefer and recommend you as well to do and run any programs which you have as an administrator. As soon as you launch the Bluestacks emulator app, so you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. We're going to simply wait until we go ahead and then complete the setup. And as you open Bluestacks, you can see this is how it is going to look like. It will say starting Bluestacks and so on. And since we are learning how we can get the Google Play Store on our computer or on laptop, if you look on the left hand side, you'll be able to see this Google Play Store which is within the Bluestacks app player. And this is how you can get Google Play Store on laptop. If I go ahead and then open it, also I will show you. Now you could go ahead and simply sign in into your Google account and you'll be able to use Google Play Store. This is how you can get Google Play Store on your Windows or laptop. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.